Hey guys, it's Alex here, and today I'm going to show you the correct way to remove a swaybar link. Okay, so this is the swaybar. This is the link. When you go to remove it, after you break that nut free, it's going to spin this whole shaft, so it's not gonna come out. So what you're going to either have to do is find a wrench that fits the back of this. There usually be a fitting, or you just get vice grips and grab it with vice grips and then rip it off. We are going to see how quick we can change these swaybar links. This is a 2009 Ford Focus. The years are 2008 through 2013. Let's fit the wrench on the back fitting. There's that one there. Sorry, I was trying to break that free. Okay, let's see if we can get the bottom one. One second, guys. And here we go. Sorry, I haven't trying to do it the quick way. So here's the old one. We got that off in just about 2 minutes. Here's a new piece. Let's pop this one on real quick. Now we got a new one on. Let's get her tight real quick. And we should be good. Now that right there is the correct way to replace swaybar links without damaging them. I'm a mechanic, I work at a dealership. That's the correct way. If you like my work, if you like what I do, like my channel, and please subscribe. I'll be uploading lots more videos, guys.